some green onions like that. And actually, I'm going to take this part off for a minute and then put some of this in there too, the end part of it. I'm going to throw it in there in my pot. I'm going to take my ginger and I'm going to cut up a nice piece of ginger. Ginger's a little tough to cut, stringy, but it's delicious. This is nice fresh ginger, as you see too, because it's light. See that? Nice light ginger. When ginger's old, it looks a little more yellow, and you don't want that. Now, don't use too much ginger. You don't want to overpower the dish with ginger. You just want a little bit of ginger, not much. Okay? So about that much will be fine. Don't overpower the dish. And kind of cut it up really fine like that. Okay? It's like I would call this a little half a tablespoon of ginger. That's all you want. Just a little half a tablespoon of ginger. Really finely chopped like that. It's very important.